Hi, my name's John and this is my signature look. I first started ceramics when I was a teenager. It was very much a family tradition, and it turns out I am the 5th generation potter in our family. I like the freedom of working with clay as a medium. When it's soft, I can keep changing it, changing the form of it, adding textures to something. There's an infinite number of ways you can treat clay, and you've got so many different clays and so many different finishes. It's just a continual ongoing process. There's never an end to any of it. I think a lot of it's to do with my parents. I just got completely infatuated by these shapes, and they're using more animal forms. I started making pigs, and I'm still making them after quite a few years now. My day-to-day style is quite basic, generally hard-wearing clothes that fit. If I'm at a selling event, then I need to look professional, and just simple additions like the waistcoat or a hat just tweaks it, yeah. I rent this workshop, and I've been on this farm, lavender farm, for 14 years now, so I'm sort of embedded a bit here.